Hi friends, my name is Miss Lulu and you are watching Bean and Peanut Learning. Today we are going to do some math. We're going to do some addition. Addition is when you're adding things together, adding numbers together. But I'm going to show you two signs that are really important in addition. This is our first sign and this is called a plus sign. A plus sign. Can you say plus sign? Plus sign. And our next one is called an equal sign. Two lines on top of each other horizontally is an equal sign. Can you say equal sign? Good. Now a plus sign, every time you see a plus sign means you're going to get more. You're adding more. And an equal sign means the same. So every time you see an equal sign, something on one side means the same thing as something on the other side. So in an equation, a math equation, the plus sign would go in the middle and the equal sign would go at the end. And we would have two numbers here and one number here, and this will make an equation. So let's make some equations together. Should we do that? First, I'm going to show you something really delicious. Are you ready to see what I've got here? I have got two delicious bananas. Do you like bananas? I love bananas. We have two bananas. 1, 2. Can you count with me? 1, 2. 2 bananas. So I'm going to write a 2 up here. That's my very first number. 2 bananas. Now remember, the plus sign means we're getting more. So what do you think is going to happen next? That's right, I'm getting more bananas. I had 2 bananas and now I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 bananas. 4 bananas. I started with 2 bananas and then I have the plus sign, which means I got some more, and I got 4 bananas. So now, how do I know how many I have? I have 2 and I have 4. How many do I have all together? What I'm going to do is I'm going to count them. 1, 2, and then I'm going to keep going. 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 bananas all together. So I put a 6 right here at the end, and that means that 2 plus 4 is the same thing as 6. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. You just did a math equation. Now I have my number line under here. And the reason I have my number line is because I kind of want to show you how this all works. So if we started at the number 2, here's our number 2 right here, and then I add 4, all I'm doing is counting 4 more. So I'm just going to bounce from the number 2 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And look where I ended. I ended on a 6. It works out just with our equation. Isn't that great? All right, let's try another one. Let's see what we've got. Now that we know that we're doing this, is going to be easy peasy rice and cheesy, right? Here we go. If I have 1 clip and 2 clips in my hair, 2 clips, starting with 2, hey, 2 again, and then I'm going to be getting some more. 2 plus, let's see how many more I get. 1 right here, and 1 right here. I have 1, 2, 2 clips, 2 clips, plus 2 clips, 2 plus 2, and what does that sign mean? Equals. Well, let's go to our number line. We start with 2, and we're going to bounce 2 times. 1, 2, 2, plus 2 more equals 4. Awesome work. So 2 plus 2 equals 4, and we can even check by counting. 1, I've got a film. 2, 3, 4. 4 clips. That was so awesome. Oh my goodness. Did you hear that? What was that? I think someone's at my door. Just 1 second. good to see you. Hello, Miss Lulu. Hello, friends. Can you guys say hello to Baxter? Hello, Baxter. Baxter, why are you here today? I just wanted to talk to my friends about some problems I was having. Problems? What kind of problems are you having, Baxter? Well, here's the problem. I was in my house and there were 3 ants on my cupboard. Ants? That's disgusting. Ugh. I do not want ants in my cupboard. I know, but listen to this. It gets worse. 3 ants and then 3 more ants came. Ah! 3 more ants came. Ah! I can't even handle it. Yes, so my problem is, how many ants are in my house? Hey, we just learned how to do this. We can figure this out, right? We can figure this out for you, Baxter. We just learned how to add. So let's see. We started with how many ants? Oh, 3 ants. We started with 3 ants. And how many more came to your house? 3 again. And we have 3 right here. Started with 3, and we got 3 more. How many ants do we have? Let's look at our number line. We start with a 3, and then we count 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. And how many is that? That is the number 6. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. What? You're telling me I have 6 ants in my house? Yeah, 6 ants. Ah! You better go take care of those. Yes, bye, I gotta take care of my ants. See ya. Bye, Baxter. Well, that was so crazy. Can you believe he had that many ants in his house? Whew, I'm glad I don't have that many ants in my house. But let's try one more problem, see if we can figure this out. But this is called a story problem. So when I'm just telling you something, and I'm making it like a story and it has numbers in it, it's just called a story problem. But we're still doing the same math, but we're going to try to do it in our heads, okay? All right, so I was at the grocery store and I got my bag and I wanted to get some apples. So I put 1 apple in my bag, just 1. But guess what? Miss Lulu's favorite food is apples, so 1 apple is not going to be enough for me. So I got 1 apple. And then I decided I actually wanted 4 more apples. So I put 1, 2, 3, 4 apples in my bag. But I already had another one. So how many apples do I have in my bag now? Now let's try to do it in our brains without doing it on the board first. So 1 apple, and then we got 4 more. Can you figure that out? Okay, did you get it? Good. If you know the answer, keep it in your brain. Now we're going to try it on the board and see if we're right. So we started with how many apples? 1 sad, lonely apple. That's just not enough for Miss Lulu. 1 apple plus 4 apples. That sounds much better. 1 apple plus 4 apples is how many apples? Let's add them all together. Let's just draw an apple right here. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. And if we did that on our number line right here, we would start on a 1 and we would bounce 1, 2, 3, 4 and get the number 5. See? Addition isn't really even that hard. You can do addition. Maybe you can think, oh, if I have me, 1 person in my family, and then I have 2 brothers, then I would have 1 plus 3, and there are 3 kids, or 1 plus 2, silly Miss Lulu, 1 plus 2, and there are 3 kids in my family. You can do math all day long. Isn't that awesome? Okay, I am so stinking proud of you. I want you to practice addition, and I want you to remember that a plus sign means more, and an equal sign means the same. You did it! That was so good! All right, you know what it's time for? Time for a pat on the back, and a kiss on the cheek. And 2 thumbs up this time, and say, I'm awesome because you are awesome. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.